আমি তাকে দিয়ে কাজটি করালাম। I made him do the work. Bilal is the best boy in the class. Bilal is better than any other boy in the class. Everybody hates a liar. Interrogative. Who does not hate a liar? He is poor but he is honest. Complex. Though he is poor, he is honest. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Simple করতে হবে। He is too weak to walk. Milk and water means timid.